what the fuck I'm doing. Still got the trusty video rocking on the second video. Got the first one done. Item number 2, broken coolant sensor. Trying to break off this lower intake. So yeah, things are going about right. Breaking shit. Alright, let's see if I got this bitch off.
Out of there?
Should want to suck out of my ass. There we go. There we go. It's actually not as bad as a lot of the videos I saw. So that's good. So in a lot of videos I saw, these were completely clogged up, and I mean, while mine are definitely dirty and I can clean them out, it's not near that bad. Oh look, a leaf in the engine. Get that out. So I'm going to cover the engine up and call it a day. Shout out TRQ. You guys are helping me out here a lot. Appreciate you.